All right, now it's time for a project. I want you to use what you have learned in this section and build a mortgage calculator like this. So when we run this program, we get a few questions. The first question is the principal or the amount of loan we want to get. Let's say $100,000. The second question is the annual interest rate. Let's say 3.92%. And the third question is period in years. Let's say we want to get a loan for 30 years. So this program calculates our monthly payments and displays it as a currency. This is a great exercise for you to practice all the materials you learned in this section. Now, before you get started, I want to give you a few hints. Here's the formula for calculating the mortgage or the monthly payments. I found this page on wikihow.com. It's called Calculate Mortgage Payments. So let's see how this works. Mortgage equals P or principal or the amount we're going to loan multiplied by R, which is our monthly interest rate. This is very important. So this number that we get here is our annual interest rate. We need to divide this by 12. Also, take into account that this number is represented as a percent. To calculate the actual interest rate, you need to divide this number by 100. So in this example, the interest rate is 0.0392. So whatever the user enters, divide it by 100 and then divide it by 12 to get to the monthly interest rate. Now we have this monthly interest rate. We need to multiply this by this expression. Here we need to add 1 to this interest rate and raise it to the power of n, where n is the number of payments. So we need to multiply this number by 12 or 12 months to calculate the number of payments. Now, to raise this number to the power of n, you need to use the POW method of the math class. So this math class has this POW or power method that takes two arguments or two values, a and b. So go ahead and spend 10 to 15 minutes on this exercise. When you're done, come back, see my solution.